So in 10 days, I have lost like almost. Good morning everybody, a very warm welcome to my channel and a very warm welcome to another vlog. अभी बज रहे हैं 8। आज उठने में थोड़ी सी लेट हो गई हूँ, but then I had a really nice sleep. The workout today I have to do it on my own. It's not on Zoom call and all. Also my workout has been changed and it has been sent to me, but I am more excited क्योंकि कल मुझे बोला गया था कि today I have to do my weight empty stomach. So I just woke up, as you will know, and I have to do my weight. So we are gonna know in 10 days. Today we exactly complete 10 days. I started on 9th. Today is 19th. We will check how much weight I have lost in exactly 10 days. So let's go. So it's 80.8. I started from 84. So in 10 days I have lost like almost 3. So yeah, that's the update. You must be feeling, why is she not excited about it? Because it's a long journey. I don't want to get excited because अब 80 से 79 पे आना, it's been my problem कि 80 से 79 पे आने में weight stagnant हो जाता है, वो नहीं जाता है. तो this week has to be a lot of efforts. एक बार 79 पे आ जाएगा, फिर it will go like zoop, like एकदम से कम. Then again जब 70 to 69 पे आएगा तो अटकता है. But ठीक है, from 84 I am right now from to 80.8 kgs, which I consider is a good amount of weight. Now I'll share it and let's see what's the new diet and everything. I'm starting off with my warm water as I usually do. Just got done with my workout. I'll share with you what it was, as I have written here. यहाँ करण का है, यहाँ मेरा है, और मेरा उठ गई. That was my workout for today. I completed it. Done. I usually write like a quote here every day when I'm working out. Seeing this, it's like kind of motivating. It's 9:30 ऑलमोस्ट. ब्रेकफास्ट करते करते ऑलमोस्ट 10 बजे करूँगी ब्रेकफास्ट. उसके पहले तो नहीं ही करूँगी. बट आज के हमारे के स्कूल में राखी फंक्शन है क्योंकि कल कुछ छुट्टी है, बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीज़न कल स्कूल नहीं है. तो टुडे इज़ राखी फंक्शन. तो मुझे किमायरा और मायरा दोनों को ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट पहनाने हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम वंडरिंग. सो मैं सारे जो ट्रेडिशनल पार्टी वेयर काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स मैं यहीं पे रखती हूँ, मेरे भी बच्चों के भी. आई एम थिंकिंग which one to wear. I thought मैं ये पहना दूँ. This is a suit from Biba, but then I thought it will get too like casual. Then this is something that I really like. This is like a lehenga. और अब के मायरा को थोड़े दिनों में ये छोटा भी हो जाएगा, so then she won't be able to wear it. तो सोच रही हूँ कि शायद ये पहना लूँ, या even I had like this dress. But I'm thinking this for Kemaira, and I think this suit for Myra, which is also from Biba. So I think yay! And I don't need to dress up because I'm not on the screen, so yay! What did you write?
Book. K-I-M-A-A-Y-R-A.
What's that?
Kimana.
Yay! Kemaira. So it's 10:30 for breakfast today. I am again having poha because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी में करना था, because मुझे बच्चों को भी रेडी करना है. उसके साथ I am also having a cup of coffee which is 80% water, 20% milk with no sugar. मैं साथ में बच्चों को तैयार भी करती जाऊँगी ब्रेकफास्ट के साथ. So yeah. So my kids are ready and let me show it to you. Hi, Myra. So that's about. Hi, Myra. So pretty. Yay! हाय मेरा बाबू.
Shake with me. Happy Rocky.
Man, happy. Show me your Rakhi that Dida made you. Show. Aha. Aha.
Thunder.
और ये सब क्यों रो रहे हो? कुकी खाना है? चॉकलेट वाली खाना है? नौटंकी. So the time is 1:30 right now and we have decided that we'll go to Decathlon. हमें कुछ काम था actually. We have to buy few stuff from there, gymming stuff basically, जो वहाँ का obviously बहुत अच्छा होता है. स्पेसिफिकली डम्बल्स वगैरह की बहुत वेराइटीज़ हैं और मैं सोचा बच्चों के लिए भी एक चेंज हो जाएगा. इफ़ कैमरा वांट्स टू बाय समथिंग फ्रॉम देयर. डू यू वांट टू बाय समथिंग फ्रॉम देयर? रोलर स्केट्स एंड स्कूटर. सो जस्ट अ चेंज हो जाएगा. लंच हम लोगों ने अभी तक लंच नहीं किया है, सो वी हैव टू डू इट आउटसाइड. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज अगर हम बाहर खा रहे हैं तो क्या खाएंगे. सो आई थिंक आई विल डिसाइड बिटवीन सबवे या साउथ इंडियन. लेट्स सी. नाउ बाहर का साउथ इंडियन इतना हेल्दी नहीं होता है, आई नो इट, बट देन लेट्स सी व्हाट वी डिसाइड ऑन. Also, like if I buy a lot of stuff, I might do like a Decathlon haul. I think it'll be fun. मुझे भी नहीं पता वहाँ पे ऐसा क्या चीज़ें ज़्यादा मिलेंगी जो हॉल में दिखाई जाए. But then I think I'll share it with you what all I buy. Also मेरी बात हो गई है about the weight. So I think it's like a progress. The person that we consult to, he said that instead of gaining weight or instead of being stagnant for so long, at least now you're losing something. Doesn't matter how much, but you're losing the weight. And I think yes, and moreover it's like the energy is high and I'm like in a very good place, not just physically but mentally, and which is like the best part about it. And yeah, I think from now on I'll work harder and I'll wait for the new diet कि उसमें क्या क्या है. एक्सरसाइज तो मैं कर ही रही हूँ and I'll try to push harder because I want results a bit quickly because I'm in a jiffy क्योंकि मेरा birthday आ रहा है. So I just want to make it happen. If nothing, at least like losing 10 kgs is all I want for a start. So yeah. Johnny eating cookie, telling lies. Open your mouth. Hi Kimpu.
Hi.
You got your pet?
Yeah.
Show me. Cute pet. You got a cute pet. Hi. Hi. After so long. Reminder, hi. Do you want to say hi? Did you even come?
Yeah.
आ गया भाई.
Sit and have. I am having idli sambar. So got done with our lunch. I had idli sambar. First time मैंने वाडेश्वर में गई और मैंने चीज़ डोसा वगैरह टाइप्स कुछ नहीं खाया. Just have one idli sambar and that's it. But we did had tea. Like me and Karan shared a cup of tea. So that's that. But that's it. Now we are going to Decathlon. Then Nautanki baby is doing Nautanki and मेरा शांत baby एकदम है. अच्छा.
I'm going to shop.
Yes, we are going to shop.
Hi. Ooh, if you want to buy them.
So it's almost 5 o'clock. We are in the car. We're back in the car. Karan is actually doing the billing. We actually tried to do the billing through the app, but it was not working because that is just so much more convenient. If you didn't know, let me tell you, Decathlon has an app, and whenever you come and shop here, you can directly do the billing through the app, so you don't have to stand in the queue or on the billing counter. So it is so much more convenient. But आज for some reason the app was not working, or I don't know, there were some network issues, so that didn't happen. So he has to do the billing manually. So he's standing in the queue और मैं बच्चों को लेके कार में आ गई because obviously they were getting too hyper now. I am not at all hungry. बिल्कुल भी भूख नहीं लगी और वॉक तो हो ही गया डेकथलॉन में अच्छा खासा. वी डिड गॉट सम टी शर्ट्स एंड वी गॉट सम वेट्स.
Basketball.
Yes, we got like a basketball and a basketball hoop as well, है ना, to play.
Yeah, and red and blue basketball
Yeah.
too.
Nice.
कौन से वाले की?
Overall, it has that fresh coffee smell. So we picked up coffee on the way from CCD. So these are like new flavors. One is Magnum, and which is hints of chocolate, and one is charge. Excited to try it. Smile. So one is like dark chocolate and the other one has like caramel and something. Caramel and what? Caramel and chocolate, and one is dark chocolate. So time currently is 7:15 and I'm really hungry और अभी तो डिनर में बहुत टाइम है. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं थोड़ा सा परमल का चूड़ा बना लेती हूँ बिकॉज इट्स लाइक प्रिटी हेल्दी. एकदम से हल्के से घी में आप उसको हल्का सा राई, मिर्ची, अगर आप कड़ी पत्ता डालना चाहते हैं तो कड़ी पत्ता, हरी मिर्ची डालना चाहते हैं तो हरी मिर्ची, उसको अच्छे से फ्राई काइंड ऑफ करके घी में, और बस उसमें परमल डाल दीजिए, थोड़ा सा नमक डालिए. इट्स गुड टू गो एंड इट्स लाइक सो यमी. स्पेशली कॉफ़ी या चाय के साथ तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है और हेल्दी भी बहुत होता है. सो यू कैन हैव इट एनी टाइम यू वांट. अभी रात के 10 बज रहे हैं. खाना आज थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया है बट सो फॉर डिनर टुडे आई एम हैविंग दिस पनीर भुर्जी, onion, cucumber, lemon, and I've made like methi and sesame ki roti, and I'm having 2 rotis today because I'm like really hungry और कल workout भी है, so I don't want to get up very hungry. So yeah, I'll have my dinner and I'll see you then. Today आज बहुत लेट हो गया तो मैंने आज वॉक नहीं किया. I'll just chill and I'll sleep, and so that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy and stay healthy.